Hey everyone, welcome to Crochet Diva. This tutorial is all about how to crochet easy crochet earrings. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel Crochet Diva. This is how one of the crochet earrings look like. Let's get hooking. I used two shades of pink color here, baby pink and pink and white shade, and a 2mm crochet hook. Look at the earring supplies I have used. 2 earrings, wires, some jump rings, beads and plier. As a crafter, we all may have some embroidery thread at our home. Use this or any other 2-weight yarn to make this earring. To make it easier, I have rolled embroidery thread into a small bobbin. Let's start making it. With pink and white shade thread and your hook. I have used 2.0mm hook here. Start with the magic ring. If you are not sure how to do a magic ring, check the link in the right corner of this video. Wrap yarn around your 2 fingers and with the help of your hook, pull up a loop from the working yarn, then twist it. Next, we are going to make 2 chains, chain 1 and chain 2. This first 2 chains doesn't count as a stitch. We are going to a little bit tighten up the magic ring. Now we'll do a double crochet. To yarn over, hook goes into the magic circle, yarn over again, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again and pull through the last 2 loops. This is the way how you're going to make double crochet. I'm going to mark my first stitch with a stitch marker so that we'll know later where we need to join. I will show you how to do the double crochet again. We'll start by making yarn over the hook. Hook goes into the magic circle. Yarn over again, pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. In this way, we are going to do 13 double crochet in the magic circle. I already have done 3. This is the 4th one. I will do a little bit faster as we need to do 13 double crochet in the magic circle. So this is the 5th one. Then 6th. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the last one 13. So as you can see, I have done 13 double crochet in the magic circle. Pull up the other end of this yarn to make magic ring tighter. We are going to join in the first stitch that I have marked with the purple stitch marker here. So I'm taking the stitch marker off and joining in the first stitch by making a slip stitch. After joining, do chain 1 to fasten off and trim off the yarn. This is how the first round will look like after doing 13 double crochet in the magic circle. Make stitch counting easier. Mark your first stitch that we have joined the round with a slip stitch. We'll add new yarn in the 4th stitch. So this is my first stitch. I will skip that. First stitch, 2nd, 3rd. So we'll skip this 3 and in this one, in the 4th one, I will add new yarn. I've used light pink or baby pink for the next yarn, but you can use your color of choice. Pull up a loop here in the 4th stitch, then chain 1. First chain doesn't count as a stitch, then 1 single crochet in the same stitch. We are going to mark our first single crochet with the stitch marker. Next, we'll do another single crochet in the same stitch. So we have done 2 single crochet in the first stitch. In the next stitch I will do 2 more single crochet, 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. In the third stitch I will do 2 more, 1 single crochet and the second single crochet. You will be able to notice that I have done 6 single crochet already in the last 3 stitches. Now in the fourth stitch or next stitch I will do 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. So I have done 3 single crochet in the same stitch. Next, in the next stitch I will do 2 single crochet. Then in the next stitch we are doing another 2 single crochet, 1, 2. In the next stitch we'll do another 2 single crochet, 1, 2, chain 1 to finish this round or row. You can notice that I have skipped 1, 2 and 3 last stitches. Then turn your project over. We are in the third round now. Round 3 with a single crochet in the same stitch or first stitch of this round. So this is my first single crochet in the first stitch. Then I'm going to do 3 chains, 2 and 3. And from the last round I'm going to skip 2 stitches. This is the first and second. I will skip this 2 stitch and in the third stitch I will make a single crochet. I'm going to make a single crochet in the third stitch. Now let's do another chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here I have done chain 4 and then I will do skip 2 stitch and in the third stitch I will make 1 more single crochet. Now we are going to do 5 chains. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. As you can see I have done 5 chains and then we are going to skip only 1 stitch from down and the next stitch we'll do a single crochet. So as you can see I have done a chain 3 space, chain 4 space and a chain 5 space. After we'll do another 4 chains, chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. Keep 2 stitches from the last round, 1, 2 and then in the third one we'll do a single crochet. Next we are going to do chain 3, chain 1, 2 and 3. Skip 2 more stitches and in the last stitch we are going to do a single crochet. Do a chain 1 to finish this round. I have done a chain 3 space in the first, then a chain 4 space, then chain 5 space, then chain 4 space and end with a chain 3 space. Turn the project over. We are in the round 4. In round 4 we are doing a slip stitch in the first stitch. As you can see this is the first stitch and I will do a slip stitch in the first stitch. Then we will start working in the chain space. So in the 3 chain space we will do 4 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2, 3 and 4. Now as you can see, I have reached the next single crochet from the previous round. We'll do a slip stitch in the single crochet. So one slip stitch in the single crochet. In the chain 4 space, we'll do 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next, in the single crochet, we'll do a slip stitch down there. I'm doing a slip stitch in there. The next 5 chain space, we are going to do 3 single crochet first. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet and 3. After doing 3 single crochet, we'll do a picot of 3 chains. So we'll do chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now I will show you how to do the picot. To do the picot, your hook will go into the front loop of the last single crochet and one of the arm of the stitch like this. Then we'll do a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through the last loop. So we are going to pull through this loop. This is how you are going to do a 3 chain picot. We'll do 3 single crochet in the same chain space. 1, 2 and this is the last single crochet of this chain space. We have reached next single crochet stitch from the last round. We're going to do a slip stitch in this single crochet. Then we'll do 5 single crochet in the next chain 4 space. 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll do 1 slip stitch in the next single crochet here. Now as you can notice that I have reached the last chain 3 space. Here we are going to do 4 single crochet. 2, 3 and 4. We'll finish this round by making a slip stitch in the last single crochet. This is our last single crochet. Here we are going to make a slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, fasten off. Trim off your yarn here. So I'm cutting it off. And here's your project nearly ready. Now weave in all of the yarn ends. Trim off if any extra yarn left. This is how lovely the earring looks like after doing all of the yarn ends. It's time to add the earring hook wires now. We will add a earring hooks in the middle here. We'll use a medium jump ring. So first I need to open it. There's the jump ring. I will open it with the help of the plier. If you don't have a plier, you can use your finger to open it. So as you can see in this opening, insert earring wires. I'm going to add it to my earring project like this. Now I'm going to close the opening with the help of the plier. Secure it tightly. Add beads in the same way on the bottom of this project. Here we're going to add it in the chain 3 picot. So this is the bead we are going to add. I already have opened the jump ring. Now I'm going to close it with the help of plier. The last look of my earring. This is one of them. As you can see, it looks really stunning and beautiful. Thank you very much for watching this video. Happy crocheting. I wish you a really happy new year.